Well, we are the nearest province to China, and that is why we have always been connected to them historically, years and even centuries ago. In fact, we have a lot of local Chinese communities in our province. And we also see China as an economic partner, especially that we are so close to them. Our province nearest to China, about two hours by plane, and it could also serve as the tropical paradise for the Chinese tourists. Sisterhood of local governments, and local government units in ASEAN, especially in my country, the Philippines, and most of our local officials are so much interested also of having sister city, sister province with China, and this is the only way we could really promote exchanges through the local government units.